Hello everyone. In this video, we are asked to find the value of x, given that 49 to the power of x is equal to x to the power of 14. So we have that 49 to the power of x is equal to x to the power of 14. Now, recall that 7 squared is equal to 49. That means we can express 49 in the power of base 7. So we have that 7 squared all raised to the power of x is equal to x raised to the power of 14. So at this point, this can be written as 7 raised to the power of 2x equal to, also we know that 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. So we have that x raised to the power of 7 plus 7. And the left hand side becomes 7 raised to the power of x plus x is equal to x raised to the power of 7 plus 7. Now at this point, we can apply the multiplication law of indices both at the right hand side and at the left hand side. So recall that if I have a to the power of m plus m, this can be expressed as a to the power of m times a to the power of m. So therefore, at this point, this becomes 7 to the power of x times 7 to the power of x is equal to x to the power of 7 times x to the power of 7. So if we compare this equation, you will find out that x is equal to 7. So therefore, x is equal to 7. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found the video helpful. Please encourage us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.